Hello everyone, welcome back to King Conquest. In this video, we have a white to move and checkmate the black king in 2 moves. Pause the video if you want to try. Oh yeah, the white pawn goes here to the top, to promotion. So yeah, if you want to try, pause the video. Alright, as you can see, in this position, if black has to move, then this king cannot move anywhere, and this rook only can take this either this bishop or to h8 or to take the white pawn in g7, all with basically instant checkmate. So use this information to solve this puzzle. Anyway, because this is a white move, let's say we will start from the from the wrong ones. Say you move your king to either to e7, e6 or e5, and this is not a two move checkmate. Obviously, whatever next move you do, it's not a checkmate. Okay. Okay, so moving our king to e7, e6 or e5 doesn't work. How about we move our king to either to f7 or f5? Say we move our king to f5. Well, black can just take our pawn in g7, and this is not to move checkmate, because if we take this rook, black king can just take it back. So no matter what to do, there is no more reasonable check that you can do in this position. Same goes if the white king move their king to f7. This is not checkmate into move, because the black rook can just take our bishop in f8, and if you promote to say a queen, the black king can flee to g5. So this is not the solution. Okay, then we already discussed about moving our king, and this doesn't work. How about we move this white square bishop? There is plenty square that we can go to, but let's say the most logical one probably, I don't know, bishop to e4, for example. Still doesn't do to move checkmate, because black rook can just take our bishop in f8, and in the next move you cannot checkmate the black king. Okay, so let's say we move our bishop to e8, for example. Still doesn't do to move in checkmate, because again rook takes promotion and black has an escape square. Okay, we already moved our bishop to e4 and e8, and both doesn't result in anything. Obviously, if we move our bishop to s7, black can just take it, no problem. Okay, in this case we left only with one piece that we don't discuss it yet. We haven't discussed it yet. So, and that's our black square bishop. Okay, as you can see, there is plenty of square that this black square bishop can go. So let's say we move our bishop to c5. Okay, well, in this position, our next move should be bishop to e3 to checkmate the black king. But the black rook can just go to e8 to basically cover this square. So you cannot checkmate the black king. if you say you try to promote it with the knight, well, black can just take it, and this is no longer a two move checkmate. So let's say I cannot see any move that can checkmate the black king from this position. Okay, we try bishop to c5. How about we try bishop to a3 to checkmate the black king c1, right? Well, same principle. We can just go to rook to c8, and in this position, no matter what white tries, there is no checkmate. Promote to a knight, it's no checkmate. The black rook can just take. If we move our bishop to c1, yeah, black rook can just take it. So we try this one, we try this one. Trying this square is basically pointless because, well, black rook can just take our pawn, and there is no checkmate that I can see from it. There's even no check from this position. Okay, we try this square, and this square. And the same logic can also apply with this square, because if we go to this square, the black rook can just cover this square to basically prevent our black king to checkmate into, right? So that's not a solution. Well, as you can guess, this is the solution, the only square that we haven't discussed yet. Bishop to d6. And in this position, the black rook cannot go to f8 because it can be taken by our pawn. Let's say we under promote to a bishop. This is obviously a checkmate. So in this position, the black king cannot move. White rook cannot just sacrifice their own to f8 to basically protect the king, because the next move is checkmate. It cannot go to h8 because, well, you can just under promote to rook, and this is also a checkmate. And then we have to try all of this square. But as you can see, no matter what square that rook tries, that this black rook tries, well, the next move will be bishop to f5, and this is checkmate. Okay, hopefully you enjoy this puzzle, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day.